JustFly Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll provide a detailed review of JustFly, a travel booking platform known for its competitive pricing and straightforward interface. Links to JustFly are included in the description, so feel free to explore them after watching. JustFly is tailored for budget-conscious travelers who want affordable options for flights, hotels, and car rentals. Its intuitive search engine allows users to quickly find and compare prices from hundreds of airlines, including both major carriers and budget-friendly options. One of JustFly's standout features is its dynamic price comparison, which ensures you're getting the most competitive rates by displaying real-time prices across different dates and destinations. Flexible date searches are also available, allowing you to explore alternative travel dates for potential savings. Another key feature is JustFly's customizable search filters, enabling you to refine results by price, duration, stopovers, departure times, and airlines. This makes it easy to tailor your itinerary to fit your preferences. JustFly also offers discounted hotel rates and car rental deals, making it a convenient all-in-one platform for planning your trips. Fare alerts are another valuable tool, allowing you to receive notifications about price drops for specific routes so you can book at the right time. Booking through JustFly is simple, and you'll receive your tickets or booking confirmations promptly via email. However, while the platform excels in pricing and ease of use, it's important to mention that customer service reviews are mixed. Some users report difficulties with refunds or flight changes, so it's crucial to review the platform's cancellation policies before confirming your purchase. In conclusion, JustFly is ideal for travelers looking to save money without sacrificing convenience. It's particularly useful for those who prioritize finding the best deals on flights and enjoy a straightforward booking process. If you've had any experience with JustFly or have questions about its features, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.